Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as an owner of a Google partner company. And I am here with a new question. So let's get started with the question I have today. And the question is from one of my audiences that Google Ads not showing keyword is identical to the search term. Hi, can you advise on this? What is the why is the keyword not triggered? Any solution? Thank you. The keyword is not triggering an ad because another keyword is identical to the search term. And if I look around on this image and let me see. Okay, this is actually your targeting. Okay, what I can see from over here is that because you are using broad match and the issue is with your keyword match type, and because in case if you're using the word painting, okay, then all of the keywords are automatically targeted in that painting word. And now because if we are using exterior painting, now there are two keywords, so they are actually collapsing with each other, which is why I do not recommend using broad match at all. Because with broad match what happens is that unnecessary traffic can also be landed on your website. Why? Because let's say in case if someone is searching for a keyword relate, even if there is something like someone says house for sale, okay, now because this part of house is being added in this key query, your ad will be shown. Now what is the point of showing your ad for house painting on house for sale, which is why it became irrelevant traffic starts coming to your website, which is why there is another reason that you do not have to target this keyword for your campaign. So which is why I'm just giving you a few options, that this is basically due to keyword match type. For my recommendation is to change your keywords to phrase match or exact match. Change your keywords to phrase match or exact match to get it sorted for you. This is a very easy and quick fix for anyone. And in case if you don't know how to change your keywords, just have to move to your campaign from over here. You can, this is your dash simple dashboard account. Let's say I'm going to select this one, this campaign. Here I'm going to move to keywords, and I have to once in a while it's get loaded. These are all the broad match you can see over here. I can simply change by selecting all, select 20 because I'm going to change them. Then here I'm going to select the change match type, and I'm going to select change all match type. So you can see from here, from broad I'm going to shift to either phrase or exact. I can also select few keywords to change on phrase, or I can select few for exact. I can go do a combination, but my suggestion for you is to simply select the apply the phrase match. So that is a very easy and quick way to solve the issue of your ad. Your keyword is not favoring an ad because another keyword is identical to the session. Because with broad match, each keyword is collapsing with other, and you may have a negative impact on your quality score as well due to this strategy. So which is why work on your optimizing it. So once again, thank you for watching. I hope it answers your query. And in case if you're looking for professional Google ads, audit, setup, management, or Facebook ads, or Bing ads, or SEO services, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to click on one of the link in the description, get started working with us. So once again, thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding it. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.